Hey guys, Andrew from Cable Bullet here, and today we're going to show you how to run longer spans of cable railing using our spacer bar kits. Let's check it out. Real quick, I wanted to thank you for your interest in the Cable Bullet system. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more how-tos, product updates, and installation videos. Now on to the spacer bar kits. Our spacer bar kits come in two different styles, fixed and floating. Both are preset for our recommended 3-inch cable spacing and are available in a number of different configurations ranging from 8 to 13 runs. At only a 1/4 inch thick, their minimal profile won't clutter your view. With the floating spacer bar, you can span up to 8 feet between supporting posts. For longer spans where you plan on using multiple spacer bars in a row, we recommend using the fixed option to minimize cable deflection. Installing our floating spacer bar kit is a very straightforward process. Simply run your cables through the holes, crimp and tension them, and then tighten the set screws on your spacer bar at the desired location. You'll need to run your cables through the spacer bar before crimping, as a crimped cable won't be able to fit through the pre-drilled holes. Installing the fixed spacer bar kit is largely the same process with the added steps of screwing in the standoff bar. The standoff bar can be installed in either the top or bottom of your railing, but we recommend installing it in the top rail as the spacing to the top run of your cable is going to be more consistent. To install, measure and mark the location for each spacer bar along the top rail. Drill a pilot hole for the standoff bar. For softwoods, use an 1/8 inch drill bit. For hardwoods, use a 5/32 inch drill bit. For aluminum, use a number 25 drill bit and tap with a 10x24 fine threaded or non-coarse tap. Carefully screw in each standoff bar and then screw on your spacer bar. Make sure all of your spacer bars have the correct vertical alignment and correct for any inconsistencies at this time. Now that your spacer bar kits are attached, run your cables through as described with the floating spacer bars. Again, make sure that you don't crimp your cables until after running them through. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Be sure to visit cablebullet.com to get your project started.